Yeah, all of you, very good evening. And today, let's continue with the multiple file uploading. This is very short session today, maybe half an hour or 40 minutes. That's all our session today. Why? Because I just want to complete this multiple file uploading. In the next session, we will go with the database operations, right? Let's continue the same. Now, already we seen how can we work with a single file uploading, right? The same way, how can we upload multiple files? But tell me one thing, you written a program yesterday. With this program, can we upload multiple files? Is it possible? Did you try this? No. You see, I'm choosing the file. I'm going to choose some images files. Let's go and check some images. Yep, I have some HTML. I have some images file. I'm choosing some image. I'm choosing, but is it selecting all the files? No, it is not allowing to select multiple files. Generally, if we can press Control and Control All, if we can say, it is allowed to select multiple files, but it is not allowing us to select multiple files. But the logic that you written is for single file uploading only, right? Then how can we work with multiple file uploading? And all the multiple files that you are uploading should be what it should be. All the multiple files should be images only. And we did the validation, right? Remember, same logic we will write it again. Nothing difference is there, but you will write this in the loop. But only thing you should know how many files you uploaded. How many files you uploaded. Based on that, you have to write a for loop or while, whatever it is going to be. Let us see how can we, first of all, how to enable multiple file uploading, and on submit, how to get the multiple files. Okay, let us see this now. Same code I'm copy pasting, and I'm writing this is going to be multiple file uploading. Yep, I'm writing the thing like this. Multiple file uploading.php is a file. Let's create a file like this. Let me go and let me execute the same file. So this is multiple file uploading.php, but the code, whatever you written, you copy paste the previous one, right? Do one thing, remove this. Let's have this, and let us remove all the PHP code as well. Everything I'm removing from the PHP as well. Everything is removed. Yeah, I'm just removing the code. File uploading. So this is going to be what exactly? File uploading. But let us change this to multiple file uploading. What it is going to be? Multiple file uploading. Let us change this title also to multiple file uploading. Then now you check this carefully now. So multiple file uploading. Upload gallery. Upload gallery. So gallery means what? You may upload one file. You may upload multiple files also in the gallery, right? That's what we are going to see now. How that is going to be works for us. We are going to check it, guys. Yeah. See how this is going to be works for us. So this is what the submit button right within the same page. When we are processing this, how do we do this, guys? Here, you know very well. Within the same page, you will write the condition. So, but on submit, let us see this now. Echo submitted. I'm writing submitted. You know that when this will be getting. Now you go and check this now. First of all, you have to enable multiple file selection. Let us see now. Are you able to select multiple files? No, you are not able to select multiple files, even there is image or anything, but you are unable to select the multiple files. How to enable multiple file selection? Remember, come to this input type equal to file, name is equal to image, and this is going to be multiple. There is an attribute called multiple, multiple, multiple. That's all only. Because of adding this attribute, it can allow you to select multiple files. It can allow you to select the multiple files. Let us see now. Earlier, we are unable to select the multiple files. Let us see this. Now I'm going to choose the files. Let us choose the files. Now you see, and you are selecting. Now you are able to select all the files. I pressed Control All. You see, it is allowing you to select the files now. But earlier, it is not there. So why? Because just adding this attribute, you are enabled multiple file selection. Okay, let us see this now. How to get the file information? Remember carefully. So you know that print underscore r of dollar underscore files is a super global variable. Let's use echo pre-tag on top of it. So here it is going to be exactly. Let us go and submit this now. This time you choose 3 files or 4 files, whatever it is. Maybe let's see layout drop down alignment. So 3 files I selected. If you can submit, See, you're able to see only one file. Oh, dollar underscore file, something wrong. Dollar underscore files, variable wrong. Let's go and check this now. You submit the same again. If you can see, you are getting only one file, but you selected three files, now. You try it again. Now I'm going to try this again. Let us see this now. And you select layout, drop down alignments for. I selected three files. Check the file names. What are the file names you're having? Layout, drop down alignments. You see the last file you are getting. That means what? First file overriding the second file is overriding the third file, finally you are able to see third file. Sir, you selected multiple files, then you have to get multiple, right? In this context, remember carefully, if you want to see, tell me one thing, can we save multiple values in a single variable? No. So to save multiple values in a single variable, we will use what? We will use what we will use? Array. So remember, this name of the file is there, right? So all of you try to see, this is the name, right? To upload the multiple files, you have to use this as an array. You have to use this as an array, Andy. Then what it is going to be, finally, this is becomes a three-dimensional array. 3 dimensions. Now don't do anything. Just two things you have to change in the form. One is multiple attribute. One is going to be image array you have to take. Now you guys can go and check this now. Let us see what is going to be happen now. I'm choosing three files. Earlier I chose three files, but it was unable. Now you see, I selected three files. You submit this. On submit, you're getting all three files now. You see, it is an array of array. Remember carefully. That's why it is coming as three-dimensional array. Now you see the first file name, second file name, third file name. Right? This is the other one. This is going to be the other one. This is going to be the other one. You see, all the name 0. That means what? First file name 1, second file name 2. And the full path of the name 1, name 2, type of the first file, second file, third file, type of the temporary path, error message. And like this, we are getting the information, and size of the file also we are getting. Here we can use the size also only. Sometimes real time low, be careful. When you're uploading a file, they will have some restriction. You have to upload a file size below 2 MB only, below 1 MB only, below 500 KB only. In this point of time, this size, this is going to be helpful to you a lot. This is in the bytes and actually. So we have to convert this into KBs. We have to convert this into MBs, GBs. Like this, we have to do it. So if this is more than 1 lakh bytes, 1024 into 1024 only, that is going to be 1 MB. 1 MB, 2 into 1024, 2 into 1024. It will become like this, right? Like, okay. So we are getting all the information. The only thing is what here, when you are submitting, whether this is submitted or not, we have to check it. Submitted, right? So how to get the total number of files you uploaded? Where is the total number of files you uploaded, Andy? See, so these are the total number. So this is an array of array, three arrays. You see, this is an array of array. That what you have to get the count, Andy. Let us see this now. How to see, I understand that I seen three files I uploaded, but how to write a logic here? How many files you uploaded? How do I know? First of all, you have to find the number of files you uploaded. Let us see this now carefully. Now I am writing $count of files is equal to file count is equal to take any variable, whatever the variable you want to take it. File count is equal to, you write something guys here, $_files of, you are writing, this is going to be the name, sorry, image and a name. This is going to be image. This is going to be something called name, and this is going to be something called name. Exactly. So you can write, this is going to be count method. What it is going to be, this is an array now. See, array of array. So I'm coming here, image of name. I'm finding the count. What is the count of it? 3 now. So this is what you have to check it, guys. Check it carefully now. What exactly this is going to be, you check this. Yeah. So we will get the count of the files, right? File count. So obviously you can write a for loop and for $I equal to 0, $I less than count file count. I mean, that means it will tell you how many times, how many files you want to repeat. And this is going to be I++ only. That's all going to be then I++. These many times you have to repeat the loop. And moreover, you have to write is uploaded file also, you can write it no problem. If is underscore uploaded underscore file is uploaded to temporary location, right? Yesterday we written. So now you will copy the whole code, and yesterday you written single file uploading, from here to here you can copy everything. That's all. We don't want to do anything, and just copy the whole code, whatever you have written for single file uploading, write the as it is the code inside the for loop. Inside the for loop, only thing what we need to change, let's go there quickly. I'm going to copy this code bit by bit, try to see. So this is the thing we are getting. And here you have to write a thing like this. So remember carefully, this is going to be the $i. So first file name, first file type, like this. How many files you upload? You have to, because it's a three dimension. So you have to write like this. So the name of the file, see, even if you have any confusion, you write $file name, $file name, you can use a break tag and you see whether you are getting all the uploaded files or not. Let us go and submit this. And I'm going to refresh the page, same, confirm form resubmission means the previous data form will be submitted, continue. You see all the 3 files you are getting, right? So you're getting the 3 files. That's why we are writing the logic like this, Sandy. This is the way you have to write the logic, right? What is the next thing here? We understand that how many files, because this is looping 3 times. Why? Because you uploaded 3 files. You upload 10 files, 10 times loop will be iterated, obviously. And every time, now we need to check the file type is valid or not. So file type is valid or not. So then what do you do? If so in underscore array is a method. In this method, dollar, what it is going to be, extension. Sorry, where is the extension? We have to find the extension, right? Sorry, 1 minute. Copy the extension code, and this is the extension code I'm having. Let's go there and just we will write this, Sunday. This is the logic you are going to write it. If the file exists, you can move the file. Otherwise, you write a message. Please select a valid image to upload. We will write a message. Please select a valid image to upload. Such a message you will write it. If everything is okay, what you will do? Yesterday we did one thing, one small thing. What is that is? So we are checking whether the file exists or not. If the file exists, we are renaming the file, do the same operation in the loop as well. So after that, we are moving the file. So how do we move a file? Move underscore uploaded underscore file. Inside we will pass the temp underscore name, comma, you have something called uploads folder, right? Uploads folder, so slash the file name. You can write concatenation $file name only. This is what you will do it. If the file moved to permanent location, it will return true. Otherwise, you will write a message something like this. So what you will write here? Echo file uploaded successfully. You write the file. You write the message. File uploaded successfully. File uploaded successfully. So this is going to be what we are having. Echo. Sorry, unable to move that file. Some file we are unable to move. If you have anything, you'll write a message. Sorry. You can write unable to move a file. Unable to upload a file. Sorry. Unable to upload a file. Unable to upload a file. Exactly, guys. This is what you check this carefully now. Same logic. Nothing difference is there. Nothing difference is there. The same logic, you will write it here. So without submitting the form, if you can hit enter, you will write the logic also. At least you have to select one file only. So then what do you do? Before this also, we can write this condition on submit. You can write a logic like this also. If there is no files to upload, remember carefully. So there is a small condition also. Sometimes you are not selecting anything. You are submitting the form. So anyhow, this is not going to be executed. But sometimes try to see there is a small problem will be there. That logic you have to check it. Try to see. Now I am writing, all of it, try to see print underscore r of dollar underscore files. All our logic is completed, and just I have to check one small scenario. The scenario, I don't want to select a file, but I want to submit. Let us see what is going to be happen. Echo. This is going to be a pre tag open, pre tag close. Let's go and check the same. Logic is same. Only thing for loop we have to add, and there is nothing big difference is there. Only thing we have to add a for loop. Okay, right. So let us see this now carefully, how this is going to be works for us. Now choose the file. You select some files. You submit this. You are getting 3 files information. Observe me. I'm not going to select anything. I'm submitting. You see, this is an array, but count. You see, there is a count is getting as a 0 count. You are getting, and you are getting as a 0 count. Remember, without selecting. See, if you can write the counter, you will get 1. But there is no file. But you see, there is an one element in the array, but there is no file. But you have to check this condition also. If that is not empty, that's what you have to check it, guys. Here, check it carefully now. What we have to do, guys, here, check it now. Here, I am writing if, how do I write this logic here? So first of all, you do one thing. $_ files inside, I'm writing images folders, image slash name is going to be 0. You have to write like this. It should not be empty. It should not be empty. So you see now, this is going to be what? Right now, you're not going to get anything actually. So if you select a file, what it is, if you're not selecting what is the file. So you have to write this small logic also. If this is not empty, not empty, sorry, not empty, empty, not empty. In this not empty, you will write this and you will write this exactly. That should not empty. So that means what? At least you have to select one file. So you go to the bottom and all the logic, whatever you written, this should be here. Yeah, you're writing here in the else block, you write, please select a file to upload. So at least one file you have to select, and that's why I'm writing the logic like this. So please select a file to upload. Right. So must and shouldly you will do like this, and now you submit this without entering anything. If you can submit, please select a file to upload. At least one file you have to select. We will write the message. Please select at least one file, such a thing. We will write it. Right. Exactly. Now you submit the form by selecting some files. Let us see now. All this is going to be get validated. So I removed the code, right? 1 minute. Yeah, I removed the code. Now you select the files. This is going to be validated 3 times. Why 3 times? Will you select a valid file, valid image, valid image, valid image? Because you all selected HTML files, right? Yeah. So what I want to do, guys, here. Yesterday, we had uploads folder. We have some files. Let me delete all these from this folder. Right now, there is nothing in the uploads folder. If I select 3 files, I want to see 3. If I select 5 files, I want to see 5. So whatever it is, the folder is empty right now. Let's go and check this now. And I'm going to choose the file. Okay, right. So I'm choosing the file. Sorry, you have to choose images, right? Let's choose some images. Go to this images folder. Yeah, I'm choosing these 4 images. I'm submitting the same. If you can submit 4 times, uploaded successfully. Now you go there. If you can go to this location, and we will see all the 4 images. You will get all the 4 images like this, guys. Exactly. Right. So you see now what exactly this is going to be. 4 images moved, right? Then what it is exactly, guys, if we can come to upload the same files again. So now you refresh the page now. You try to upload the same files again. Choose this. Now what are you doing? Same 4 files I'm choosing again. Now you check this now. You choose this and you upload this. 4 files uploaded. Now you go there. You see, they are not overridden. They are all same files. Again, they moved with a different name. With a different name exactly. Do you understand? Right. This is called multiple file uploading. Okay. I want to know one question. Try to see, guys, here. Let me delete all the upload files. I'm deleting all the files from the uploads folder. So here, I'm going to refresh the page. Let me choose the files. Choose the files. How many files I chosen, you know? Let us see. 39 files I chosen. 39 files I chosen. In these 39 files, some of the files are PDF files. Some of the files are PDF files. Let us go and check this, all of you. I'm choosing the files. Let us choose all the files. Yep, you go and choose all the files. Let me select this documents. Only images I'm selecting. This PDF also I'm unselecting. Let us go with, yeah, everything is image. Right now, you selected 37 files. If you can submit, what is going to be happen now? It is giving you maximum number of allowable file uploads has been exceeded. What is this? So it is not allowing. So why, sir? What happened? Remember, you see, but it is executing something, but I am getting some errors also. What is this? I am getting some files are executed successfully, right? And here I'm getting some error, maximum number of, right? By default, you go and check the folder. You see how many files you are able to see in the folder. How many files you are able to see in the folder, right? Can you see, guys, here how many files we are able to see in the folder? I'm able to see 20 files exactly. By default, PHP can allow you to upload the 20 files. By default, PHP can upload you to allow the 20 files. So then how do we do this, sir? How can we upload more than 20 files? Here, by default, PHP will do this, guys, here. To avoid this, we have a small solution also. We will check the solution. What is the solution? By default, PHP will set you to upload 20 files by default. Where that will set? So do you know PHP configuration settings file? This is going to be called configuration settings, settings settings file, PHP configuration settings file. So this name is going to be php.ini file, which is available in the XAMPP PHP folder. If we can open this, we can find the file php.ini. So there you see max file uploads. There is a property called max file uploads. Okay. And let us go and check this now. Let's open the file from your work location. So file uploads, you just search for this, go to this XAMPP. In this, we want to open this file PHP. And this is going to be, if we can bit come down, we will see a file php.ini file. This is the file we are having. Now you see, search for it. Where it is option? We have a lot of options are there in this. Almost all 2000 number, 2000. Yeah, you see 2000 number of lines of code is there. Almost all. We have to search for it, guys, right? So then what do? You just search for it, Control F. I'm writing simply file uploads, file UPLODS file uploads. Yeah, you see file uploads on, right? What are the maximum file uploads here? You are having 20 files you can upload. How many files? 20 files. You can change this value to 100, 200, 300, something like this. Sir, how is there is this the fixed solution? Sometimes, for example, you made 50 ND. Right now you made 50. If you made 50, the user may select 100 files. Then what do? Will you open the file again and will you change to 100? So the user may select 200 files then. Will you open the file again? You will change 200 every time? We don't know generally. How many files the user is going to be uploaded every time? We don't know. We cannot give a guarantee. So this may be 20 only. Let it be 20 only. But how can we set the max number of files to upload it in runtime? But I don't want to change this file every time, man. So if you uploaded 20 files, fine. If you uploaded 30 or 40, 200, 2000, I don't know. So you want me to change this file every time? No. How can we allow the maximum number of files that can be uploaded via a single request? If we select 30 files, I have to upload 30 files. If we select 50 files, I have to upload 50 files. So by default, how many? 20. And what is the maximum uploaded every file size? And every uploaded file size is going to be 500 M, 5000 M. I said actually, this is not 5000 M only. You check the file because maybe I did this for some reason in my local system. You check this. Please check this. This is not 500 M. Maximum uploaded file size earlier is 2 MB. Now it was changed to 8 MB or somewhere around. Please try to check your configuration file. So this is what exactly only. So how many files? Right. You see, by default, when you upload a file, where the uploaded files will be saved in the temporary location of the server. They will be saved in temporary location of the server. That's what I told you, right? Every session files that you created, they will be saved here, as well as files are going to be saved in the temporary location like this. They are the temporary location. Uploaded files will be saved in temporary location, as well as session files also saved in temporary location. Uploaded file size is 8 MB, or earlier versions, so we have 2 MB only. By default, we can upload 2 MB size only. We cannot upload more than 2 MB. Earlier versions, now 8.8 version was changed to 8 MB or somewhere. You check the carefully. But in a single request, how many files we can upload? By default, 20 files we can upload, guys. That's all, right? So how can we upload maximum number of files in a single request? So I want to select all the files that you selected, Andy. Then how do we do this? How can we do this? How many files you uploaded? These many files you uploaded. So what is the total count? 30. Yeah? I have to upload the 30 files. So what is the value we chosen here? Can you go and check this? Sorry. So let us open the file uploads. Yeah. So this is under max file uploads is the value. Remember, guys, in PHP, how they will ask you the enter question, Andy. How can we set max files uploads on runtime? By default, 20 files you can upload, right? So at the time of uploading, you uploaded 30, I want to move to 30, but I don't want to change the file in the PHP. How do we do this? So we have a method, guys, here. ini underscore set is a method. So if you want to change any of the configuration settings value, we can use this. So the value, this is going to be max file uploads, comma, how many number of files you uploaded in the request, that count you have to pass here. So this is a runtime setting. We don't want to change the file every time. We have two ways only. We can set the value in PHP ini file, but that is not good thing. So we can set always in the runtime like this. For example, single file uploading and one file only I can allow, right? So you cannot set the value. So if it is a multiple file uploading, yes, you will do like this, guys. Exactly. Take this carefully now, how we can upload the thing. Now I'm just going to check this. 1 minute, please. I am going to write this ini underscore set is in PHP. Let us see this carefully now. ini set max file uploads. Sorry, 1 minute. I will show you max file uploads, how this will be works for you. If you don't know, you can do like this also. Let's search for it in the Google. You see how to fix max file uploads limit increase. So on runtime, and this is a very important question in interview. Just you write this ini set max file uploads is going to be 50. Max file uploads is going to be 50. We have two ways, and remember they are saying that. So you can do like this, either you can do like this also. You go to PHP ini file and you set the value like this also, right? So then how do we do this now? How can we do this now? Nothing, guys, here. You just write this just before submitting the form. You go to this, you write this. After this, now you write the total count, dollar total total count. This is one of the very important interview question they will ask you. They will ask you the question like this, and by default, how many files we can upload in a single request? By default, 20 files we can upload in a single request. How can we increase the upload max file uploads without changing the PHP ini file? I don't want to change PHP ini file, but I want to change it. How we can change this? How this is going to be possible? This way you have to do it, but let me try this whether it is working or not. This way I'm going to choose multiple files here. So is there anything wrong I made it here? 1 minute, let me check this. This is going to be file count. Sorry, wait, thank you very much. This is file count. Now let's go and see this now. Earlier we had some errors. Max the number of files, error. Let us choose all the files. Let us remove this. Let's remove this. Let me check in the latest version whether it works or not. Let me try this. Oh my god, is it not set or not? I don't know, but can I go and see how many files I can see? I'm able to see 20 files only, guys. It is not selecting all the files. Let me do one thing. Let me delete it. I deleted everything from here. Let me choose one more thing. Why this is not working? Let me check this. So is there anything changed? I don't know, but need to check it now. This is the option actually. Maybe I have to set this on top of the page. Otherwise, I will check this. So you see, yep. Let me do one thing. Whatever the property you written here, let me keep on top of the page. So, but this is not set here. So 1 minute, on top of the page. Maybe can't we set dynamically? Yes, we can set dynamically also, but let us do one thing. On top of the page, I'm setting this. Let me try this, guys, here. But total count is going to be 40. I'm writing 30. Let us see this 30. And I'm going to check this. Let me check this, why this is not working. Let's go and remove all the files from this location. Delete, Control-Alt-Shift, delete. Let me check this, why this is not working. I'm choosing, oh, I'm refreshing the page. Yeah, let me refresh the page now and let us see this now. This time you choose the files. Shall we see 30 files? Okay. This time I want to see 30 files. I set on top of the page directly, and let us see this now carefully. So I have same error again, and it is not moving all the files. It is moving by default 20 files only. Okay, guys, we will check it. We will check this, why this is not moving, but in the old version it will work. By I don't know in the what is the latest version we have to set it. Let me try this in the latest version. Let's go and check this minute. So max file uploads ini set is not working. But actually, there is nothing wrong. We have to write the value as it is only. Am I did any mistake? Is there any spell mistakes you are having? Can you check this? Max underscore file underscore uploads. That's fine. This should be a stringer. I don't know, but if I take it as a string, I want to check this. Am I doing any mistake? Let me submit this. Let us see this now. No, it is not allowing us Sunday. It is allowing only 20 files only. Even though you set something, even though you set here, it's not working. Why it is not working? 1 minute. INI set is not working. Is not working for max file size. Oh, I need to do like this. Max file size, this is different. Max file, load max files. Okay, guys, I will check this. Don't worry about the property. Why this is not working. I will check and I will update you. Right. Can change. Okay. But this is the option in PHP INI file, in htaccess file. But this is correct now. Everybody is saying the same thing, right? But why this is not working? So first of all, we have to do this. 1 minute. Let us check this whether it is working or not. I want to try this way. You write the both. 1 minute, guys. Here we will check it now. You write this file count, $file count. So there is no other solution. We have to debug it. Why that is not working, right? So I'm going to just echo this. Just echo ini set to ini get and so that we can get the value. Let us see how many files you uploaded. That many things we are getting or not. Let us choose all the files. I'm not moving the files. I just exited. So after submitting this, if we can upload this, what is the okay? Why this is getting executed? So first of all, maximum number of allowable file uploads has been exceeded. Why this error is coming? So don't know, guys, the reason, but I need to check it. Let us check this. But the solution is that is only. So solution is that is, but need to check this. So max file uploads also I have to check, and memory limit I have to check. Post max size also, but this is not the thing. Why this is not working? Maybe I have to set through htaccess or else I want to check this, guys, here. But htaccess means what? Here we have PHP a little late on this, but do believe possible to htaccess file ila cheyali. But dynamic ga set cheyali kada. We have to set this dynamically. Okay, guys, don't worry. I will do some R&D. I will let you know, right? Why should we waste the time? Right? So, but this is the option earlier. It works for us, but why this is not working? So we too don't know the reason, but we are not getting the count. Are you getting the count? So you are getting 20 only by default. You're getting 20 only by default. You're not getting all the things. Don't worry, guys. I will check this and I will update you. Even though you set this as a total number of files, file count, but it is not giving you. So, but let me try this and let me check this. Okay. Right. Don't worry about it. So this is all enough for the day. I will update you the thing on Monday, and in Monday session, we will enter into MySQL. Okay. Monday, we will enter it into MySQL. So from here onwards, we will start a project. Maybe it will take 20 days, guys, here from here. So 10 days, hardly 1 week. First 1 week, we will discuss MySQL basics and everything. After that, we will slowly, and the basics with PHP programming also will slowly combine and we will discuss them. Right. So please keep it in mind. So this is what we are going to do in the upcoming. So Monday, we will start discussing about the MySQL basics. Right. And I will find the solution also. Why this is not working. In the latest versions, I need to check this. Yeah, any doubts, let me know. I'm stopping the recording.